Look at this picture. Doesn't it look familiar? Well, this is the solar eclipse. You must have heard about solar eclipses. Well, in ancient and modern cultures as well, solar eclipse is considered as a supernatural phenomenon and is linked with bad omens. People say that it brings bad luck to us. But we know why this happens. We have learned this in science. Well, solar eclipse occurs when while revolution, Earth, Moon and the Sun come together and in a straight line. So let's understand this phenomenon on a graph. Well, we have arranged these three, that is Sun, Moon and Earth, on a graph paper. Now can you tell me the coordinates on which we have arranged these? Tell me the coordinates of A. Well, the coordinates of A will be -5 on the x-axis and 5 on the y-axis. Now what will be the coordinates of B? Say the Moon. Well, it is 0 on the x-axis and 5 on the y-axis. Now what about the Earth? Say we name it C. Now this is 6 on the x-axis and 5 on the y-axis. Now after tracing the path of these three, we have seen that these three are falling in a straight line. So you can say that A, B and C are lying on a straight line. So we have a special name for these points. Whenever 3 points lie on a same line or the straight line, we say that the 3 points are collinear. So what are collinear points? Whenever 3 points lie on a same straight line, we name them as collinear points. Now how to verify whether these are actually collinear or not? Well, you can check this thing. You will check whether AB plus BC will always give you AC. Now if you get this equation as correct or truth in this, you can say that these 3 points are collinear. Let's check. What will be AB? Now we know how to take out the distance between two coordinates. Here you can see that the y coordinates are same. So we can just subtract the x coordinates. So AB will be 0 minus -5, which will give us 5 units. Now what about BC? Well, BC you can see y coordinates are same. So just subtract the x coordinates. So 6 minus 0, which will give us 6. Now we have to check whether this comes to same as AC. Now let's take out AC. See AC, A and C. You can see that the y coordinates are same. So just subtract the x coordinates. So we'll get AC as 6 minus -5, which will give us 6 minus -5 is 6 plus 5. That is 11 units. Now if you look at this, we had got AB plus BC as 5 plus 6, which is 11 units as well. So now even visually you can see that these points are collinear, and verifying also we are getting AB plus BC, that is AB plus BC will give us same as AC. Now let's take another situation. Here we can see that due to revolution, Earth has changed its position. Now do you think the solar eclipse will occur? Now when does the solar eclipse occur? When these 3 points lie on the same line? Well, let's see. Yes, I can see after tracing their path that these 3 points are lying on the same line. Now you can say that A, B and C are collinear. Now we'll do the verifying part. But can you use the verifying part over here? AB plus BC will give us what? AC. Now let's check. Now can you calculate AB here with that distance formula we used to do in the previous one? What did we do? Because of the same y coordinates, we just subtracted the x coordinates. Or even if the x coordinates are same, we just subtract the y coordinates. But we cannot do it here. So we have one more formula for that. We have the distance formula, where even if the coordinates are not same, we can find out the distance between 2 points. So we will do that again here. So we have taken this point A, B and C, and now with the help of distance formula, we'll find out the distance between AB, BC and AC and verify whether AB plus BC gives us AC or not. So let's take out AB first. So what will be AB? First, revise the distance formula. What is the distance formula? That is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So what is AB? Root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What will this give me? Root over 0 minus minus 5 is 0 plus 5, that is 5 whole square, plus 0 minus 5 is minus 5, is minus 5 whole square. Or I'll get 5 square is 25. Now minus 5 square is minus 5 into minus 5, that is plus 25. Now what will I get? Root over 25 plus 25 is 50. And we'll get this as root 2 into root 25. Or we can write it as 5 root 2 units. So we found out AB. Now let us find out BC. Now BC we'll get as root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now solve this. Root over 3 minus 0 is 3, so 3 square, plus minus 3 minus 0 is minus 3, so minus 3 whole square. And this will give us again 3 square is 9, plus minus 3 whole square is minus 3 into minus 3, which is 9 again. So we get root over 18, or we can write it as root 2 into root 9, or 3 root 2 units. So we found out BC. Now find out the CA yourself. Now what will be AC? Which will be root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we'll get 3 minus minus 5 is 3 plus 5, 8 square, plus minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8, so minus 8 whole square. Or we'll get root over 8 square is 64, plus minus 8 whole square is minus 8 into minus 8, which is 64 again. Or we'll get root over 128, which we can write it as root 2 into root 64, or 8 root 2 units. So we found out AC also. So we got AB as 5 root 2, BC as 3 root 2 and AC as 8 root 2. Now what we have to verify? Whether AB plus BC gives you AC. So let's find out AB plus BC. So AB is 5 root 2 units plus BC is 3 root 2 units. Now this will give us what? 5 plus 3, 8 and root 2 common, 8 root 2 units. Well, you can see this is the same value of AC. So we got AB plus BC as 8 root 2, which is actually AC. So the verification is complete that the points A, B and C are collinear because AB plus BC gave us AC. That is, the distance between A and B plus the distance between B and C gave us the same distance as A and C. So what are collinear points? Two or more points are said to be collinear if they are on the same line, if they fall on the same straight line. Now you can check the collinearity of points even on the lines parallel to y-axis. See this line, this is x is equal to 5. This is parallel to y-axis. Check any 3 points, say this, this or this, and you will find that these 3 points are also collinear. Not only on the lines parallel to the y-axis, but also to the lines parallel to x-axis, you will see any 3 points will be collinear. Now, after the solar eclipse, we have one more eclipse, that is the lunar eclipse. Now, what happens in lunar eclipse? This earth comes in between the sun and the moon while they are on the same straight line. So, suppose there is a situation where earth is in between the sun and the moon with these coordinates, where A is 1, 3, B is -2, 0 and C is -4, -2. Can you tell me whether a lunar eclipse will occur or not? Well, how does the lunar eclipse occur? When these 3 are on the same straight line and earth is in between the sun and the moon. So let's check. For that, we'll first take out the distance between A and B. This is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now let's solve. So this is -3 whole square plus -3 whole square, or we'll get 9 plus 9, which is root over 18 or 3 root 2 units. Now in the same way we can find out BC, root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or we'll get -4 minus minus, that is +2. So -4 plus 2 will give us -2 whole square plus -2 minus 0 is again -2 whole square, or we can write it as -2 whole square is 4 plus 4. So this is root 8 or 2 root 2 units. Now in the same way you can find out the distance between A and C, that is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let's solve this. -4 minus 1 is -5 whole square plus -2 minus 3 is again -5 whole square. So we'll get this as root over 25 plus 25 or root over 50, or we can say 5 root 2 units. So we've found out AB, BC and AC. That is what we need to verify, whether AB plus BC gives us AC or not. So let's find out AB plus BC. Now this is AB plus this is BC. So what will this gives us? Taking root 2 common, we'll get 5 root 2 units. Now you will see that this is same as AC. So 5 root 2 we are getting same as AC. So our verification is complete. You can see that AB plus BC is equal to AC here. So the lunar eclipse will occur because they are falling in the same straight line. So what did we learn now? 3 points A, B and C in that order itself are collinear if AB plus BC is equal to AC. How will you check the collinearity of 3 points? By using this method. Remember that A, B and C should be in the same order as given.